Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing about some of the most important current affairs of the topic important days of October month. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end. So friends, we'll start with our session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors, then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So friends, let's start. First we'll be talking about October 1. October 1 is observed as International Day of Older Persons. I repeat, International Day of Older Person is observed on 1st of October with the theme Digital Equity for All Ages. I repeat, Digital Equity for All Ages is the theme for the International Day of Older Persons observed on 1st of October. If we look at the data, same thing. Who observed this? United Nations International Day of Older Person is observed by United Nations across the globe on 1st of October to create awareness about the challenges and issues faced by the elderly across the globe. Theme being digital equity for all ages. And this year in 2021, it was the 31st anniversary of the International Day of Older Persons. Next is from 1st of October to 31st of October, we will be observing Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Important market. To create awareness about breast cancer. Full month of October, that is from 1st to 31st of October, we will be observing breast cancer awareness month. As you can see, there is a pink ribbon here in the picture. This pink ribbon signifies, or it is a symbol of, or you can say pink ribbon is an international symbol of breast cancer awareness. Next, International Coffee Day. On 1st of October only we observe International Coffee Day. Then on 1st of October we also observe World Vegetarian Day. I repeat, World Vegetarian Day, International Coffee Day, and your International Day of Older Persons. All these days are observed on 1st of October. Moving on. From 2nd to 8th of October, we observe Wildlife Week. Important. Wildlife Week is observed between 2nd to 8th of October. Question can be asked. Wildlife Week annually observed from 2nd to 8th of October across the country with an aim to protect and preserve the flora and fauna of India. Wildlife Week, the 67th edition, is being celebrated with the Wildlife Day theme, Forest and Livelihoods, Sustaining People and Planet. I repeat, theme being Forest and Livelihoods, Sustaining People and Planet is the theme for the 67th edition of the World Wildlife Week, that is observed on observed between 2nd to 8th of October. Wildlife Week. Next is your International Day of Non-Violence, observed on 2nd October. I repeat, International Day of Non-Violence is observed on 2nd of October. Coming to 2nd of October, we also observe World Day for Farmed Animals. I repeat, not farmed, this is farmed animal. That means the animals that lives on the particular farms. So World Day for Farmed Animals is observed on 2nd of October. On 4th of October, we observe World Animal Day. On 2nd, it is your World Day for Farmed Animals, and on 4th of October, it is your normal World Animal Day. Next is your National Pension System Divas. I repeat, National Pension System Divas is observed on 1st of October. Mark this also. National Pension System Divas observed on 1st of October. India celebrated first ever National Pension System Divas on 1st of October. Why this is important? Because it is observed for the first time in 2021. National Pension System Divas observed for the first time in October 20 or 1st of October 2021 to promote pension and retirement planning for a carefree Azad retirement. NPS Divas is a campaign of Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority launched as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Next is your 4th of October. On 4th of October, from 4th to 10th of October, we observe World Space Week. As we know, space exploration is becoming one of the most important agenda of each and every country. So this can be important, and the theme is very, very important. Women in Space is the theme for the World Space Week for the October 4 to 10 that is observed every year. I repeat, from 4th to 10th of October, we observe World Space Week with the theme Women in Space this year in 2021. Moving on. If we look at the data, the UN's World Space Week annually observed across the globe from 4th to 10th of October to commemorate contributions and achievements made in the field of space science and technology. The week also recognizes and celebrates the historic role of women in space and aims to inspire the next generation of young girls to pursue their dreams in science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and space. That is your STEM. The theme of World Space Week is being Women in Space. Mark this very important theme. Next is your World Habitat Day observed on 4th of October with the theme Accelerating Urban Action for a Carbon-Free World. World Habitat Day on 4th of October, theme being Accelerating Urban Action for a Carbon-Free World. If we look at the data, the day commemorates across the globe to highlight the condition of the towns and cities and the basic rights of all to adequate shelter. World Habitat Day 2021 is observed on 4th of October 2021. Earlier, World Habitat Day 2020 was observed on 5th of October, and World Habitat Day 2022 will be observed on 3rd October. So from this information we can conclude that this World Habitat Day is observed on the first Monday of October every year. So this year, first October of the month, first Monday of October month was on 4th of October. In 2020 it was 5th, and in 2022 it will be on 3rd of October. Theme being accelerating urban action for a carbon free world. Next is your World Teachers Day. It is observed on 5th of October with the theme Teachers at the Heart of Education Recovery. I repeat, World Teachers Day. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is your UNESCO, this observes World Teachers Day across the globe on 5th of October to celebrate the teachers across the globe. This day also commemorates the adoption of the 1966 ILO UNESCO recommendation concerning the status of teachers. World Teachers Day is co-convened in partnership with the International Labour Organization, the United Nations Children's Fund and the Education International. The theme being, as we saw, Teachers at the Heart of Education Recovery is the theme of the World Teachers Day. In India, if we talk about India, observes Teachers Day on 5th September. Alright, don't get confused. World Teachers Day on 5th of October and normal Teachers Day of India celebrate, that is on 5th of September. Next, World Cotton Day. World Cotton Day is observed on 7th of October. 7th October marks the observance of the first ever official United Nations World Cotton Day. I repeat, 7th October 2021 marks the observance of the first ever official United Nations World Cotton Day. According to the International Cotton Advisory Committee, the event theme for the year 2021 World Cotton Day is being Cotton for Good. So the theme, if asked for the World Cotton Day of year 2021, that is observed on 7th of October, is Cotton for Good. Next, World Post Day. World Post Day is observed on 9th of October with the theme Innovate to Recover. I repeat, Innovate to Recover is the theme for the World Post Day observed on 9th of October. United Nations World Post Day, annually observed across the globe on 9th of October to commemorate the anniversary of the establishment of the Universal Postal Union in 1874. Theme of the World Post Day is Innovate to Recover. Very important theme, so do take a note of it, mark it. The day aims to create awareness about the role of postal sector in the everyday life of people across the globe and its contribution to the social and economic development of the countries. Next is your World Mental Health Day, that is observed on 10th of October. I repeat, World Mental Health Day observed on 10th of October. This day is a global initiative supported by World Health Organization, World Federation for Mental Health and its member and its various organizations. The symbol for the mental health is a green ribbon, as there was a for breast cancer was your pink ribbon. So for mental health it is green ribbon. The theme for the World Mental Health Day of 2021 is Mental Health in an Unequal World. I repeat, mental health in an unequal world is the theme of the World Mental Health Day 2021. The slogan of WHO's World Mental Health Day campaign is Mental Health Care for All. Let's make it is a reality. Mark this also. Slogan can also be asked, Mental Health Care for All. Let's make it a reality. It is a slogan for WHO's World Mental Health Day campaign, and the theme being is Mental Health in an Unequal World. Next is your International Day of the Girl Child. It is observed on 11th of October. Theme for this International Day of the Girl Child is Digital generation, our generation. I repeat, digital generation, our generation is the theme of the International Day of the Girl Child that is observed across the globe on 11th of October. Moving on. Next. Next is your Territorial Army celebrates its 72nd Raising Day on 9th of October. If we look at the data, you should know this Territorial Army has celebrated its 72nd Raising Day on 9th of October 2021. Can be asked, 1772 Raising Day is observed by the army on which date? It is observed on 19th of, or it is observed on 9th of October. Can also be asked the number of the raising date, that it is the 72, or you can 72 raising day. This number is also important. Observed by army on 9th of October. Next, on 9th of October, we also observe World Migratory Bird Day. World Migratory Bird Day is observed on 9th of October. Theme for this World Migratory Bird Day is Sing, Fly, Soar Like a Bird. I repeat, Sing, Fly, Soar Like a Bird is the theme for the World Migratory Bird Day observed on 9th of October. Next, as the picture suggests, World Arthritis Day. Pain in joint is caused by arthritis. So World Arthritis Day is observed on 12th of October. Next, World Day Against the Death Penalty. I repeat, World Day Against Death Penalty is observed on 10th of October. I repeat, on 10th of October we observe World Day Against Death Penalty. If we look at the data, World Day Against Death Penalty is annually observed across the globe on 10th of October with an aim to safeguard the health and rights of women and girls across the globe. The day unifies the global abolitionist movement and mobilizes civil society to support the abolition of the capital punishment. This day, that is the 10th of October, marks the observance of the 19th World Day Against Death Penalty. So it was the 19th edition of World Day Against Death Penalty. Next is your World Investor Week that is observed from 4th to 10th of October 2021. World Investor Week from 4th to 10th of October. Mark it. Next, International Day for Disaster Reduction observed on 13th of October. I repeat, International Day for Disaster Reduction is observed on 13th of October. Next, World Thrombosis Day observed on 13th of October. World Thrombosis Day. Then on 8th of October, we also observe World Egg Day with the theme Eggs for All, Nature's Perfect Package. I repeat, theme being for the World Egg Day that is observed on 8th of October is Eggs for All, Nature's Perfect Package. Next is your World Food Day. Mark this, this is important. World Food Day is observed on 16th of October with the theme Our Actions Are Our Future. Better production, better nutrition, a better environment and a better life. I repeat, the theme for the World Food Day observed on 16th of October is Our Actions Are Our Future, better production, better nutrition, a better environment and a better life. If we look at the data, as we know, all over the world there is a huge food insecurity, or you can say there is a huge food deprived states that are lacking on various amount of nutritious foods, or you can say generally like North Korea. There is a high chance that in upcoming future there will be a food related famine coming up in 3 to 4 years in North Korea, and various other parts of the world you can see food famine related to COVID-19, because everything was shut down, the food supplies was stopped, even to the countries that were dependent on the United Nations or World Health Organization or various other organizations which used to transfer food to them as a social work, that also stopped due to COVID-19 as there was lockdown implemented all over the world. So we can say that in upcoming time there will be a large food famine coming up. United Nations World Food Day is annually observed across the globe on 16th of October to create awareness about the section of people across the globe that suffer from extreme hunger and need to ensure healthy diets for all. The day commemorates the founding of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. 16th of October 2021 marks the 76th anniversary of FAO. The theme for World Food Day 2021 is Our Actions Are Our Future. Better production, better nutrition, a better environment and a better life is the theme of the World Food Day. Next. Next is your International E-Waste Day observed on 14th of October. International E-Waste Day observed on 14th of October. If we look at the data, International E-Waste Day is annually celebrated across the globe on 14th of October to create awareness about the hazards of electronic waste and to promote the proper way to dispose e-waste. International E-Waste Day is annually observed or organized by WEEE, that is your Waste, Electrical and Electronic Equipment, form an international association representing 40 producer responsibility organizations across the globe. So, who observe International E-Waste Day? Observed by WEEE. 14th of October 2021 marks the observance of the 4th edition of International E-Waste Day. So this is the 4th edition of International E-Waste Day in the year 2021. And the theme being is Consumer is the key to circular economy. I repeat, the theme is Consumer is the key to circular economy of the International E-Waste Day. Next is your International Day for the Eradication of Poverty observed on 17th of October, and the theme being is Building Forward Together, Ending Persistent Poverty, Respecting All People and Our Planet. Next we'll be talking about 37th Raising Day of the National Security Guard observed on 16th of October. I repeat, 37th Raising Day of the National Security Guard is observed on 16th of October every year. These National Security Guards are also known as Black Cats. Next we'll be talking about International Chef Day. International Chef Day is celebrated by World Association of Chef Societies on 20th of October. The theme for the International Chef Day is Healthy Food for the Future. Next is Police Commemoration Day is annually observed across the globe on 21st of October every year to pay tribute to the police personnel who died in the line of duty or who died during the duty. This day is also known as Police Martyrs Day. So remember, another name for the Police Commemoration Day is Police Martyrs Day, observed on 21st of October every year. Next is your Global Iodine Deficiency Syndrome Prevention Day. I repeat, Global Iodine Deficiency Disorders Prevention Day is observed on 21st of October. I repeat, on 21st of October we observe Global Iodine Deficiency Disorders Prevention Day. Next is your International Stuttering Awareness Day. International Stuttering Awareness Day is observed on 22nd of October. International Snow Leopard Day is observed on 23rd of October. Snow leopard has become the state animal of which state? Of Ladakh. Mark this, important. Of Ladakh, snow leopard has become the state animal. Recently, Ladakh also mentioned their state bird. What is the name of their state bird? Comment below. Tell me the name of the state bird. Next is your Vigilance Awareness Week observed from 26th of October to 1st of November. I repeat, Vigilance Awareness Week is observed between 26th of October to 1st of November, and the theme being Independent India @75. That means it is your 75th year of independence. Self-reliance with integrity. Self-reliance with integrity. So this is the theme of the Vigilance Awareness Week observed from 26th to 1st of November. Next is your Global Media and Information Literacy Week. As we know, digitization is taking place and it is one of the key aspects of the development. So there is a high chance of this being asked. Global Media and Information Literacy Week is observed between 24 to 31st of October every year, and the theme being is media and information literacy for the public good. I repeat, theme is media and information literacy for the public good. This day, that is Global Media and Information Literacy Week, observed by United Nations between 24 to 31st of October. Next is your International Animation Day, that is observed on 28th of October. Animations are the cartoons. Next is your India Sweden celebrated 8th Innovation Day on 26th of October. Very important. Mark this. India and Sweden together observed 8th Innovation Day on the 26th of October, and the theme for this day was Accelerating India and Sweden's Green Transition. I repeat, Accelerating India Sweden's Green Transition is the theme of the 8th Innovation Day observed by India and Sweden. Next is your International Internet Day, that is observed on 29th of October. International Internet Day is annually observed across the globe on 29th of October to celebrate the anniversary of the first ever transmission of an electronic message from one computer to another over ARPANET. What is ARPANET? It is your Advanced Research Projects Agency network. They also commemorates the progress in the history of telecommunications and technology. Coming back, International Internet Day is observed on 29th of October. Next is your World Stroke Day, that is observed on 29th of October. World Stroke Day observed on 29th of October to create awareness about the serious nature and high rates of stroke and to highlight the prevention and treatment for stroke to ensure better care and support for the survivors. The World Stroke Day 2021 highlights the need to learn the science of a stroke, save #precious time. I repeat, the theme for the World Stroke Day is Learn the Science of a Stroke, save #precious time. So friends, this was the video. Vikas signing off. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862 and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price and that will help you to boost your preparation.